Hi friends! Today I want to share with you my Osechi Ryori. Osechi Ryori is a traditional Japanese New Year dishes, and each one of these dishes has a meanings and symbolizes important things in our lives. We prepare the Osechi Ryori for a wish for a good luck in the coming year. I hope you will like it.
Let's start from Datemaki, sweet rolled omelette. Datemaki represents knowledge because it looks like an important ancient document, rolled paper, and sometimes hidden from the world. If you want to be smart, this is the food for you. Dissolve Kuzu starch in Dashi. You can use cornstarch instead. The starch is used as a stabilizer. Usually, I don't like a sweet omelette, but this is an exception. Heat your tamagoyaki pan on medium heat and grease the inside well. Drop egg mixture to make sure the pan is hot enough. Pour in all the egg mixture and cook a couple minutes until the outside is just cooked. Carefully transfer to a baking tray and cook in the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Cook until the surface is golden brown, and when you touch the center and it bounces back, it's done. Take it out onto the sushi mat and flip it over. The upside face to you. Score the surface about 5 mm. Gently roll the omelette up with the mat in. Let it sit 10 minutes. Unroll the omelette and then roll it up again tightly. Secure with the rubber band and let it cool to room temperature. Next, let's make Goma namasu, vinegar, daikon, and carrot. Soak dried shiitake mushroom in water for at least 1 hour to overnight. Open the aburaage into two. Cut into thin strips. Put it in a pot, add in sugar, soy sauce, and water to rehydrate the dried shiitake mushroom. Cook on medium-low heat until almost all of the liquid is gone for several minutes, covered. Thinly slice carrot and cut into thin strips. Cut daikon as well. Put them in a separate bowl. Sprinkle 1/3 teaspoon of salt to the daikon and a pinch of salt for the carrot. Toss to mix and let it soften. Now let's prepare sesame dressing. Heat a pan on low and add in white sesame seed. Toast until fragrant for about a couple of minutes or until pop-up. Transfer to a mortar and grind until half done. Add in sesame paste, sugar, rice vinegar, and light soy sauce. Mix until well combined. Add in cooked shiitake mushroom and aburaage. Squeeze carrot and daikon. Mix until well combined. Red and white represent the celebration and peace in our culture, So this is an indispensable dish in osechi dishes. Next, let's make TAZDUNA Konyaku. TAZDUNA represents a rain for horse, and that means we can control our mind to go for the target. And it represents a knot, which means having a good relationship with a partner as well. Slice konjaku into 5mm slices and cut a slit in the center, about 2 cm, and flip it over from the slit. Pre-boiling makes konjaku soft and easy to soak up dashi. Add in dashi, soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. Cook about 15 minutes or until almost all of the liquid is gone. Next, shrimp umani, sweet and savory shrimp. Shrimp represents the longevity. The shape symbolizes the older generation whose back is bowed. We admire them for developing the society, so we all want to be like that. Cut off the tip of the shrimp. Remove the vein with the toothpick. Put sake, mirin, soy sauce and sugar and 2 slices of ginger and bring it to a boil. Put in your prepared shrimp, cover and cook 3 minutes. Flip it over and cook 1 minute more and turn the heat off and cover and let it cook in the remaining heat. The last one is easy kurikinton, mashed sweet potato. Usually we mix the mashed potato with chestnut, but I don't have it now, so I made it with the sweet potato only. But it tastes so good. It represents financial prosperity because it looks gold. Peel and mash the baked sweet potato. Shape into a small ball, and that's it. All the osechi for 2021 is done. I used to spend the whole day to make much more osechi, but now I make dishes that our family really like. It took 2 hours to make all the dishes. Let's plating. Unroll the datemaki and cut into 1 cm slices. Cut off the top from the yuzu and take out the fruit. Keep it for the ponzu soy sauce. Shave the bottom to stabilize. Stuff with the Goma namasu. I have prepared kuromame, Japanese black beans. Kuromame represents the hard work. And I prepared yellowtail marinated in miso. I have prepared this in a month back and I freeze it for this occasion. Yellowtail represents the promotion because the yellowtail grows and it has the name for each stage. And I prayed a chashu from the tonkotsu ramen. I wanted to prepare 8 dishes. 8 means expanding luck in our culture, so I added some dishes to make it 8. You can pack in the bento box. For the bento box, dust konyaku with katsuobushi to prevent the dashi coming out. There you have your osechi ryori. Let me taste. The datemaki is not too sweet and it's so silky smooth texture. And I love my black beans. Up north in my city is famous for black bean. It grows bigger and it's so soft and rich in flavor. I hope you learned something from my video about our food culture. And I hope you will give this recipe a try, at least 1 or 2. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!